Place the latch stop against the frame with its small holes toward the frame. The top of the latch stop should be flush with the head of the frame. Use the 7/8 inch notch on your key to keep the latch stop correctly spaced from the head stop. Fasten the top latch stop screw. From the push side, close the door until it meets the latch stop. Align the latch stop with the locking channel so there's no gap along its length. Hold the latch stop at the bottom. Install the bottom latch stop screw. You can open the door slightly if you need extra space. Again, use the locking channel to keep the latch stop flush. This time, hold it in the middle. Fasten a screw in the middle of the latch stop. If necessary, open the door for more room. Turn the locking channel to the unlatched position using the mechanism. Close the door to verify it latches with minimal effort. Install the remaining latch stop screws. Close the door from the push side. Push on the door body from the push side to confirm it has latched correctly. Use the mechanism to open the door. Go to the pull side and close the door. Open it again with the mechanism and install all latch stop hole plugs. Check that the door latches and unlatches freely, without any interference between the locking channel and latch stop.